The 80-piece fruit and vegetable garnishing set. With this set, you've basically got everything you need to easily carve any fruits and vegetables. Just playing around with a couple of beets here today. I'm going to give you a quick demo on how some of these things work. Okay, I've got these beets here. You can, using a nice sharp knife, you can just do nice thin slices like this. Get a nice flat bottom on the beet, and then you can easily carve different shapes, different patterns, whatever you want to do with these tools. One of the things I wanted to show you was this cool crinkle cutter, and it's nice. It's nice and small, very easy, good size. You can easily do nice crinkle cut slices or garnishes. A lot of things with this tool. It's just very cool because of the size of it. Alright, there you go. Yeah, this crinkle cutter produces a really cool crinkle cut. And you've seen that before, but you can do a lot of other things. So I'm going to show you just a cool pattern right like this here that you're not going to be able to do unless you have these tools. So there you go. Check that out. It's pretty cool. They're just a crinkle cut little sticks of beets, but I'll tell you what, that's going to look cool on a plate. Okay, a couple more slices here, and I'm going to show you some of the cutters that come in this set. Cutters are pretty cool because you're producing a specific shape, and chances are your customers have not seen that shape on their food before, so it's very cool. Here you go. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do 6 different shapes. The first shape's just a simple leaf right there, and all you do is take and just press down, and that leaf should pop right out for you, just like this. It's kind of cool. The next shape we're going to do is we got a butterfly here, small butterfly. And the butterfly is going to need a large piece. There we go, like this. Okay. Butterfly is pretty cool. I mean, that could be used for sushi or just about any type of garnish where you're looking for a little butterfly. Edible beet butterfly. Okay. And next we're going to try one more. There's a whole bunch of cutters that come in this set. Here's the hearts, for instance. You can't get these anywhere else unless you buy the set. So why not pop these out for use later. Alright, the heart, you could actually do a lot of hearts within a heart. So let's start with the large one. Here you go. Alright, there's the big heart. Cool. Now, we could actually take a little smaller guy here and cut it out of the center. There you go. Now, you got a heart within a heart, or a double heart. Okay, check it out. Next, I've got a flying dove, or basically just a bird. Looks like a bird, pretty cool. And wow, this is a really, really nice cutter. These things are really sharp. Okay. There you go. All daisies as well. Daisies are pretty cool. Just a small flower. So the daisy, I'll do a triple for you here. 1, 2. All right. Got to be very, very careful if you want to do thin slices like this, because you don't want them to break. Okay, look at that. Kind of cool. And then the middle one, I'm going to do one more. Okay, so there you go. We got 3 sizes of flowers. 1, 2, 3. All right. The set comes with a lot of small chip carving knives too. You could easily use a small knife like this and just trace the flower out. Give yourself kind of a cool pattern. Carve all kinds of different squashes and whatever you want with the tools. But I'm going to just outline this small flower, make it look a little more presentable. Okay, just like that. And of course, a simple julienne always complements any garnish. Any plate, you can't beat a nice julienne just for presentation. So, julienne, as you know, is 1/8 by 1/8. I'm going to start with a nice, perfectly squared off beet, like this. Just cut a couple small juliennes here. The rest of these beets, by the way, the rest of these beets are going in a nice beet salad. I'm not wasting anything, so I want you to be aware of that. A little tricky to do with the gloves on, working with these slipperier vegetables, but anyway, there you go, a nice julienne. Okay, there's a few of the finished cuts we've done right there using the garnishing tools. The tools are in stock. You get 80 pieces. It's a really nice set. It's a big set, and you can score them at chefdepot.com. Tell them the chef sent you, and have a great day.